Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this scrunchie, velvet scrunchie. There are many ways how you can close it. This one is with slip stitch, this one too. This one is just with single crochet, but I like this one, single crochet and chain one. I like how this one looks. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you need for this one. So we need baby velvet yarn, has to be medium 4. Do not use this one. I mean, my machine doesn't like this one. This is not good for my machine. Okay, so I'm going to use this color today. You need waste yarn for the beginning and the end. You need an elastic. Make sure that your elastic is good. I wanted to use this one, but this is not good. I cannot use this one. So before you put it, make sure it's a good one. You need a crochet hook. This is 5 millimeters, because I'm going to close with single crochet and chain one, and a stitch marker if you have one. Okay, cast on with waste yarn, place it under the first black needle, then in the back, in the front, every other needle. You know it's good if it comes under the first black one, and you know you did. Okay, the cast on. Make 3 rounds with the waste yarn. For the cast on, it's okay, just 3 rounds of the waste yarn. Switch to main color that you wanna use. You don't need a lock tail, it's okay, a short one. Reset your counter to 0. And we're going to make 15 rounds with the main color. Go slowly for the first 2 rounds. Make sure all the time when you start or when you change color that the yarn is down, okay? Okay, so make 15 rounds. So this is the last one. I have 15. Don't cut the yarn. Just place it here or in the middle of the machine, how you want. And then we put the waste yarn again. Switch to the waste yarn. Here at the end you need at least 5 rounds to make sure that you have all the stitches alright. So need 5 to 8 rounds with the waste yarn. Okay, release the yarn and knit without the yarn. 2 rounds. Okay, so stretch your work. Okay, so now this is what I want to be outside, the part that you see. So that one has to be inside. Okay. This is the end of the yarn that I'm going to work with. Okay, so place it here. Take your elastic, check that it's good, and then we have to place it in the middle. Like this. So now you have to sew these two ends together. You can do it just with a needle if you want like that, but I said that I'm gonna use this method today. So we start here. So make sure that the elastic is in the middle. Okay. This is, I'm going to place stitch marker on this stitch. And look on the other side. So this is the last stitch for the first one. So now we have to make a single crochet in both of these stitches, one from this side, one from the other side, and then chain one, go to the next one, the next one, all the way around. Oops. I mark this to now. This is the beginning. So because my machine has 46 needles, I should have 46 single crochet chain one. If you have 40, then 40 or 48. If you want to count, you don't have to. So place your crochet hook under the first one where you place the stitch marker and go to the other side like this, yarn over under both, chain one, and make again, go again under the both one to be more secured. Okay, so go to the next one, next stitch, one from here, one from the other side, yarn over under both, then again here, and now you make a chain one. So this is single crochet, chain one. Take one stitch from here, one from here, yarn over, you have two loops, again yarn over, and now make a chain one like this. So you do this all the way around. So this is the last one on each side. You can do a chain one or no, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do a chain one and then slip stitch here where I have the stitch marker. Just so, okay, so here just yarn over and bring under this one, and now you can cut the yarn. So now you have to remove the waste yarn. I like to use my waste yarn. So the one that you ended with, it's easy, just it's coming off. For this one, it's harder, but you start with a... Okay, so this one is all done. Sorry. So I'm looking for the small tail. This I started with, and just from here, just pull this yarn. It should come easily. And now you can reuse this yarn too. Please check to make sure that you don't have any loose stitches. So, okay, looks alright. Tie these two together. Make a knot. Okay, it's not good. I don't know how that's how it's looking. And then you hide the ends inside. So this is the same like this one. Go between. Make sure that everything is all right, and then I think it's okay. I can cut this one. So here is single crochet and chain 1. And I'm going to show you. So this is 15 rounds. And depending on your elastic for the total. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.